everyone, welcome back to the Auto Show. Today, move over supercars, because Lamborghini just redefined luxury on wheels. Introducing the 2025 Lamborghini Motorhome, where raw performance meets high-end travel. At first glance, it screams Lamborghini. Sharp lines, aggressive stance, and that iconic front fascia. But this isn't just about looks. Underneath the aerodynamic body sits a hybrid V8 engine pushing out 700 horsepower, yes, in a motorhome. Performance-wise, it's no slouch. With adaptive air suspension, all-wheel drive, and a top speed of 155 miles per hour, this is easily the fastest luxury RV on the market. 0 to 60. Just under 5 seconds. Wild, right? But where it truly shines is inside. The cabin is wrapped in Alcantara, carbon fiber, and Italian leather. Think of it as a penthouse suite. That happens to go 150. The 2025 model features fully automated living systems, climate control, lighting, even the kitchen appliances, all synced via Lamborghini's proprietary app. And yes, it has retractable slide-outs for added space when parked. Need to bring your Huracan along? No problem. The rear garage can house a compact supercar or motorcycle, because why not? This isn't just a motorhome, it's a statement. Limited to just 75 units worldwide, it's tailored for those who want to live large and drive even larger. The 2025 Lamborghini Motorhome. Where Lamborghini's DNA meets the open road. Fast, bold, and unapologetically extravagant.